Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with my December daily, and today I'm going to make, or this time I'm going to make number 15, and it's going to be a quick one, I think, because I have this little card, journaling card, a piece of an old Christmas card. I'm going to glue that on this tape. Use a bit of glue on it because it's not so very sticky. Just like this. Sorry for my hat. Like so. Cutting a little piece off. Like so. Oh. And I have a number 15 in color. If I don't know if I use this 15 because it's not the same color. It's this. Well, it's possible, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bit like so, I think. A big 15 can hopefully, oh yes, I have to cut that a bit. Like this. I'm going to journal on this. Well, should I do something there? Little Christmas tree, maybe? This one? No, this one. So I'm going to glue a Christmas tree on here. A die cut from well, from some brand. I don't remember. Like so. Maybe I should do something with the rounds, little circles. Do I have a circle in that width? I have. But the tape is a bit too small. I could do it on there. Oh, well, I do another one. Why not? It's not quite a circle because the tape is a bit too small. So I hope I manage again. I'm struggling with my punch. You don't see it, but I do. So like so. Whoops. Try again, honey. Try again. It's tricky. I'm not giving up. Keep it. Yep. And now I should get that with a tweezer. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it's gotcha. Well, it's not round, whatever. It's round enough, like so. Well, like that. It's a bit too low. It's okay this way. So, well, I think this is it. A quickie. Day number 15. Thank you for watching. See you next time.